Hello, pigeon lovers. I'm back again. You guys, my voice is different. I'm literally losing my voice, but I tell myself, say, I must film this video today by fire, by force. That's how we say it in pigeon. By hook or by crook. Anyhow, we must film this video by fire, by force. So you guys, don't mind my voice. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys common pidgin English sentences that we use every day as we move around our daily lives. Just basic sentences that we can use around the house. I feel like this is going to help your pidgin. See, I hope you guys are practicing. Oh. Keep practicing, and one day all of us go to use only pidgin they talk for this channel. All right, you ready? If you're ready, get your popcorn, get your juice, and let's get this video started. Boom. So first of all, if you want to say something hurts you, for example, your feet hurts, your hand hurts, your tummy hurts, you would say, my leg, they pain me. My hand, they pain me. For pidgin, we call tummy belle from the word belly, okay? So you will say, my belly, they pain me. My leg, they pain me. My eye, they pain me, okay? But if you want to say, I have a headache, it's different. You will just simply say, I get headache. I get backache. I get tummy ache. You get difference. Something hurts, they pain me. But something is aching, I get headache. I get backache. I get waist pain. Or my waist, they pain me. There are several ways you can play around with it, but basically, I get tummy ache would help. I get headache. My leg, they pain me. Anyhow you want to say it, you guys. Anyhow, which one is easier? Tell me which one is easier. My leg, they pain me, or I get headache. Which of them is easier for you? I want to drink water. I won't drink water. I won't drink water. Simple. I want to drink water. I won't drink water. I want to eat food. I won't chop food. I won't chop food. And then you want to ask your friend, if your friend is interested in eating, you ask your friend, you go like chop. It means, would you like to eat? You go like chop. You go like chop. You're off to work. How do you say it? I dey go work. You're off to church. How do you say it? I dey go church. I dey go party. I dey go shop. I dey go market. Wherever you're going to, just say I dey go and then insert the place, okay? I dey go church. I dey go mosque. I dey go shopping. I dey go market. Just say I dey go the place. I dey go, okay? I'm going to the market. I like it so much. I like well. I like well. You can say that, or you can say, I too like like I like it too much. I too like I like well. Okay, so I give you food to eat and I ask you, you like you like the food? You can say, I like well. It's sweet well. It's so delicious. It's sweet well. I want to ask if you have kids. I'll just simply say, you get children. You get children. And then you can say, no, I no get pikin. I no get pikin. Or you can say, yes, I get 2 children. I get 2 children. So pikin is for one child. A child is pikin. You cannot say, I no get child. No, you can't say that. You simply say, I no get pikin, or I get 1 pikin, or I get 2 children. I get 3 children. I get 4 children, or I no get pikin. Okay? I've got so much clothes to wash. How do you say that? I get plenty clothes to wash. I get plenty clothes to wash. The laundry is too much. You have so much to do. I get plenty clothes to wash. Where can I get a taxi? Where I fit get taxi. This one is a bit. Where I fit get taxi. Where I fit get taxi. Where can I get a taxi? Where I fit get taxi. And I can just say, do Uber now. Like, get an Uber. Guys, let's move forward to the pidgin phrase of the day. And the pidgin phrase of the day is, you sabi speak pidgin? Answer me in the comments. You sabi speak pidgin? It means, do you know how to speak pidgin? If I want to ask if you know how to speak English, you sabi speak English? But the pidgin phrase of the day is, you sabi speak pidgin? Let me know in the comments if you sabi speak pidgin. If you sabi you go write, I sabi speak pidgin. If you know sabi you go write, I know sabi speak pidgin. All right? And if you're learning, you go write, I dey learn how to speak pidgin. I dey learn how to speak pidgin. I'm waiting for you in the comments. Please tell me, you sabi speak pidgin? I'm on night shift today. I dey night shift today. I dey night shift today. I dey night shift today. I am a teacher. Teacher one neka, okay? I be teacher. I be doctor. I be nurse. I be artist. I be YouTuber. I be content creator. I be lawyer. I be pilot. Whatever you are, I be okay? I be dash. I be nurse. I be How do you say, I don't know what I would do without you. I don't know wetin I go do without you. I don't know wetin I go do without you. What can I do without you? Wetin I fit do without you? You do well. Thank you. Okay, thank you is you do well. So somebody has done something nice for you. You're just trying to appreciate the person and you're saying, thank you. I don't know what I would have done without you. You simply say, you do well. I don't know wetin I go do without you. And say it to me, I no know wetin I go do without you. I don't know wetin I go do without you. Thank you. You do well. You want to just tell me to wait a while? What do you say? Wait small. Wait small. Wait small. I dey come. It means I'll be with you shortly. Just wait a little while. Wait small. I dey come. I dey come. I'm going to come to you soon. Just wait small. Wait a little while. What do you suggest? Waiting you think. Waiting you think. I'm trying to know, what do you think about this? Waiting you think. I'm not sure. I know they sure. I know they sure. I'm sure. I dey sure. I know they sure. I dey sure. That means I'm not sure. I know they sure. I'm sure. I dey sure. Are you tired? You don't tire. You don't tire. Yes, I don't tire. No, I never tire. No, I never tire. I'm not tired yet. Yes, I don't tire. No, I never tire. I never tire to teach Una, but this brings me to the end of this video. Let me know what you think. Did you learn something new? If you did, let me know in the comments. If you want me to take it slow or you want me to go faster, let me know in the comments. I'm so glad that I filmed this video today. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you now for my next one. Until then, stay safe and remember that I love you so much. Mwah. Bye guys.